Hello, this is Dilantha from Beat Billions, and today we are going to discuss about Genius brands. So this is not the first time that we are doing a video on Genius brands, and we in fact wrote an article on the 15th of June on Seeking Alpha titled Genius Brands. Investors might have one last chance to get out before the stock crashes. And in this article, and you can find a link to this article in the description to this video as well. So in this article we clearly explained why we believe Genius brand stock would collapse from the 15th of June. So it was not some kind of a gamble. So if you can see, we came to this conclusion based on several facts. The first thing was the financial performance of the company, the historical financial performance of the company. And the second thing, the most important thing, is a characteristic of the company that we did not like at all. So to be more precise, the company since 2016 has talked about a lot of good things that would happen to Genius brands. In a sense, the company has made a lot of promises but has failed to deliver the goods, has failed to deliver on those promises. And that is a characteristic that we do not want to see in a company that we are about to invest our hard earned money in. So that was how we came to the conclusion that Genius brand stock would collapse once Cartoon Channel is launched, and that was on the 15th of June. So as you can see right here, that is exactly what happened. Investors had an opportunity to sell Genius brand stock at over $450 a share. At the time we published that article and our first video on YouTube as well, but right now the stock is trading at about $2.70 cents a share. So the stock has collapsed over 40% in the last 10 to 12 days, and we were right to predict that the stock would collapse. So the most important question that many of our readers are asking right now is whether now is a good opportunity, a good time to invest in Genius brand stock. We do not think so. So we have one particular reason to not to think so, not to think that this would not be the ideal time to invest in the company, and that is the numbers are missing. So we are talking about the CEO of Genius Brands, who has been very vocal on social media, and he has released many press releases, many announcements as well regarding the expected success of Cartoon Channel. But at the same time, the CEO has failed to give us any indication of any guidelines, any guidance of what kind of revenues we can expect from Cartoon Channel, and what would be the impact of Cartoon Channel on the bottom line of the company, on the net earnings of the company. So the earnings are missing, and that is a very big warning sign, because usually if a CEO is vocal, just think about Elon Musk. He is vocal, but at the same time he gives us numbers, he gives us something to work on. But at the same time, Genius Brands CEO is vocal, but at the same time he doesn't give us any numbers to work with. That is a very big warning sign. So no, we do not think now is a good time to invest in Genius Brands. At the same time, we think that we would not be surprised if the stock collapses to below $1 a share in the coming weeks. And as soon as we have some numbers to work with, we will do another video and upload it to YouTube. So thank you for watching the video, and make sure to subscribe us to stay tuned with what is happening in US markets.